My name's Derek Allensworth, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Yetter Manufacturing. Been there for over 25 years. Again, most people know who Yetter is, but we're a family-owned business located in West Central Illinois. Started in 1930. Our claim to business, as far as what most people know what we do, we build planter attachments just like Martin Industry does. And we also build a lot of different products for OEMs. And then we get into other products like strip till, products for combines, harvest type equipment. So, but as far as this acquisition here, it's been planned to be closed by the end of March. Everything is planned to be Martin Till, stands as Martin Till, and Yetter still stays as Yetter. Nothing changes in that. What do you get?
Yeah, my name is Tom Patterson, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Martin Till. Been with Martin about 10 years, and Derek and I have known each other. I actually live about an hour south of Colchester. Have known Derek for a long time, and the Martin Till brand is a little more concentrated than the Yetter brand is. We work on just planter attachments, and that's always been the mainstay of what Martin Till has been known for. Once again, it is a family-owned business, started in 1991 by the late Howard Martin and currently Steve Martin. And we think it's going to be a great venture to join forces and have Yetter as a new owner. But as Derek has just reiterated, that we will remain at Martin Till products along with the Yetter products. So I see it's an advantage for both dealerships, both dealers. A lot of our dealers, probably I was just talking a minute ago to another individual, and I think that probably 50% of the dealers out there already are Martin Till and Yetter dealers, so they shouldn't see much change at all.
This is early in its early stages, so we have a lot to learn between the two companies. The ultimate goal is, at the end of the day, to provide the best product to our customers. So if there's items that Yetter can utilize through our purchasing or through our engineering sources or different things like that, will you help utilize that through the Martin Till brand, and same thing through Martin Till. If they have some resources that would help us, it's going to work both ways.
I agree with Derek. I think there's some synergies to be had, especially in maybe some of the backroom operations that we have that would allow the synergies to take place. And but the main thing is that we both can leverage off each other and helping each other in manufacturing with some of the different things going both directions.
Yeah, so since 2001, when we acquired Amco, that company has been managed as a hands-off approach. So their day-to-day is managed by themselves. We do not have anybody on site from what we would say is Yetter Manufacturing. They have their key managers that manage the day-to-day business, their employees, and the company has done very well and continues to grow. We look at this as the same partnership that we'll have with Martin Till, and I think it'll work out real well.
Well, I think both of us have similar values in how we want to do business. I think both companies believe in building relationships with their dealer network. And I think that's one of the strongest things that make who Martin and Yetter both are, that we've done over the years, continue to build that relationships with our distributors and our dealers. And it's reached all the way down into our end users, that we have a lot of people who will say, hey, we know you from 1 or 2 or 3 shows that we've been at, and we know the value, we like the relationship, we want to buy your product. And I think that's what made it such a nice fit for both of us, that we share the same values.
You got to look at how many companies still, you call it 800 number and you talk to somebody. We both look. That's right. That's how we handle business. When you call our companies, you're going to talk to somebody, you're going to get the service support that you expect. And then when you place an order with these two companies, they're going to provide the quality product that you expect. Biggest thing is Tom will help us with some of the activities as far as at Martin Till at the factory. Steve will still continue to be involved. but his involvement will move toward more product development, innovation, things that have been key to the Martin Till business and the continued products that they've brought to their customer base and solutions and innovations over the years. Well, you got to hit the rewind button and backtrack back to 1989 when the original row cleaner wheel was invented by Howard Martin. So that wheel started both these companies in a sense. Yeah, Yetter had some other items, but for many years, planter attachments based around the row cleaner has been key to helping many farms, and there has been many different versions of the row cleaner as far as floating. Now you got to adjust from the cab, but at the end of the day, the row cleaner wheel is what these two companies basically have worked together in the beginning, and now we're coming back here and we're going to continue to work together going forward. So.
Yeah, I think, Derek's talked about the beginning of 1989 with the wheel. We've got some new products here we brought out, and I think that's the nice thing about it with the two companies, the ability to work together. We're going to continue to have new innovative products come on the market as we see needed for no-till, and I think that's going to be a big plus for the no-till farming in the community there, that they're going to see the products that they think they need. They're going to be able to see them and get them from either one of us.